Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mohammad Rafi और आप देख रहे हैं RAYTECH Studio. Recently, PowerA has launched its top-of-the-line Fusion Pro 2 controller compatible with the Xbox Series X and S into the market, and we got a chance to review this amazing controller, guys. The Fusion Pro 2 controller is completely compatible with the Xbox One, Series X and Series S and also your PC. And the feature this controller is delivering demanding a really fair price, guys. The only downside of this controller is this कि ये सिर्फ जो है केबल के साथ जो है चलता है. Means guys, this controller is not wireless, but we do hope that the PowerA will soon launch the wireless version of this controller into the market. A quick shout out to PowerA Gaming for sending this amazing controller to us, guys. If you like to buy this controller, you can directly visit their site and buy it directly from over there. I'm mentioning their links into the description. Do visit them, and without wasting any of the time now, guys, let's start the show. Before moving further, guys, quickly go down and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can receive the notifications of our upcoming videos into the future. So guys, let's do a quick unboxing of the controller and let's see what are the contents they have given you into the box. Well, I am so much amazed, guys, by the presentation and the packaging of this controller. They have provided you a really great boxing experience into this controller, guys. Also, they have provided you a protective case with this controller, which protects the controller when you travel or take it from one place to another. Now, starting from the build and the design quality of this controller, guys, the build and the design quality of this controller is really great. It's totally made up of a good plastic with textured rubber grips on the back side of the both ends of the controller. This controller comes with two swappable faceplate. The default faceplate is of black matte color with textured rubber grips on the both ends of the faceplate, and the other one is of white color with soft texture finishing on the both with green rings on around the area where the joystick and the triggers are placed, which provide a really great look to the whole controller, guys. Now talking about the comfort and the handling of this controller guys, the comfort and handling is really great. Whenever you will hold the controller in your hands, your fingers will automatically rest on the buttons of this controller and you will feel so much grippy into your hand, and it will give you a really next level type of experience while using this controller into your game. This controller comes with two swappable thumbsticks. One is a longer concave thumbstick and the other one is a longer convex thumbstick guys, which you can easily replace by lifting the faceplate of this controller and you are good to go. The rest of the buttons are same as the traditional Xbox buttons, but there is a new button which they have given into the controller is the screenshot buttons, which helps you for taking screenshots and the clips during your game guys, and it's located downside to the Nexus button. Also guys, at the bottom side of this controller at the faceplate, you can see they have provided you a volume control button and also a 3.5mm jack, and using the volume control button you can easily increase and decrease the volume while playing the game, and also you can use the mute button located there for muting the mic during your game guys. Now talking about the two triggers located at the back side of this controller guys, you can adjust these triggers into 3 levels according to your own comfort by using the switches located at the both side of these triggers guys. Means there are 3 profiles in which you can adjust the triggers and control them independently. This controller also have a unique feature which is mappable Pro Pack pedal guys. These are the set of 4 pedals located at the back side of the controller which you can also detach. With these pedals helps you and takes your gaming experience to another level and helps you a lot in gaming like PUBG and Fortnite etc. Most of the controller which comes in this price bracket does not offer such type of feature into it. As I have told you before, this is a wired controller. This controller comes with a 10 feet long cable type C to type A which is fully braided and a really good quality. Now talking about the dual rumble motors of this controller guys, it will give you a satisfactory feedback. The vibration of this controller is a bit loud, but I am sure it will never disappoint you. Now coming towards the testing of this controller guys. We have tested the controller on couple of titles and this controller performed pretty much well. There is low latency and low lag. Rest of everything works really fine. Talking about the haptics of this controller guys, the haptics of this controller are a bit loud. Whenever you will play this controller on the table, this controller will produce a low vibration sound. But I don't think this will cause any convenience for you guys. गेम्स के बारे में बात करें तो ड्राइविंग गेम्स के अंदर भी जो है इसका काफ़ी अच्छा जो है गाइस वो रिजल्ट हमने देखा है। जब भी आप इसको ड्राइविंग गेम्स के अंदर यूज़ करते हैं, स्टीयरिंग से लेकर अगर आपकी किधर टक्कर वगैरह लगती है गाड़ी को, तो इसका जो हैप्टिक फीडबैक प्रोड्यूस होता है वो बहुत ही गाइस अमेजिंगली जो है वो आपको फील होगा आपके हाथ के ऊपर। और गाइस इसी तरह शूटिंग के अंदर भी अगर आपको कोई गोली वगैरह लगती है और व्हेन एवर यू डाई इट दिस कंट्रोलर गिव्स एंड प्रोड्यूस अ रियली गुड काइंड ऑफ अ हैप्टिक फीडबैक। वेल गाइस, जहाँ पर PowerA ने आपको इसके अंदर इतने अच्छे जो है वो फीचर्स प्रोवाइड किए हैं, इसी तरह देयर आर सम थिंग्स दैट विल डिसअपॉइंट यू एज वेल गाइस। हमें इसके अंदर जो है 2 चीज़ों ने डिसअपॉइंट किया है, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं थोड़ा बहुत, जिनमें से एक चीज़ ये है गाइस कि PowerA हैज़ ओनली प्रोवाइडेड 4-dimensional D-pad into this controller instead of multi-dimensional D-pad controller like the Xbox X series of the controllers. And talking about the other disappointment which we faced into this controller guys is this के when you place your fingers on the back side of the pedals, आपकी जो नीचे वाली 2 fingers हैं guys, ये वाली ये completely उसकी length के ऊपर जो है वो place नहीं हो पाती and you will find hard to press the buttons of that pedals guys. I think so this problem can get eliminated if the PowerA reduces the length of the pedals and then you are good to go. If this thing guys cause too much inconvenience for you, you can easily detach the mappable pedals from this controller and replace it by the cover given into the box of this controller, which also hides the terminal of these mappable pedals. Now talking about the price and warranty of this controller guys, Fusion Pro 2 controller is available in market for 90 USD dollars guys. अगर आप पाकिस्तान की करेंसी में इसको कन्वर्ट करें तो इट विल कॉस्ट यू लाइक 16,000 पाकिस्तानी रुपीज़, जो मेरे ख्याल में कुछ पाकिस्तानियों को जो है थोड़ा बहुत जो है ये अफेक्ट करेगी, ज़्यादा लगेगी। बट गाइज इफ़ आई थिंक जो लोग इतने बड़े बड़े और महंगे महंगे कंट्रोलर लेते हैं एक्सबॉक्स सीरीज़ के, वाई नॉट आई विल आस्क देम टू ट्राई दिस वन गाइज, उनको बहुत ये पसंद आएगा। टॉकिंग अबाउट द वारंटी ऑफ दिस कंट्रोलर गाइज, PowerA is giving you straight warranty of 2 years for this controller. So guys, what you are waiting for? अगर आपको ये पसंद है तो you can directly buy from their sites. And guys, this was it. This was Fusion Pro 2 controller. Thank you so much for watching our video guys. Do mention your thoughts into the comment. कोई भी सवाल हो नीचे कमेंट में mention करें. I will definitely answer you guys. And I will see you now into the next one. Thank you.